I went into testing the LG 48-inch class OLED Evo AI 4K fairly skeptical. Here's what 2 weeks of daily use revealed. To be honest, I was considering the Samsung QLED 8K before choosing this LG model. Now that I've spent time with both, I can confidently say that this LG stands out from the pack for its exceptional picture quality and smart features. There are a few features that really caught my attention. First, the brightness booster powered by the A11 AI processor Gen 3. This might sound like just another marketing buzzword, but in practice, it means that this TV is incredibly vibrant and detailed, even when you're watching content that's not as bright or colorful. I was blown away by how much more vivid my favorite Netflix shows looked on this TV compared to the Samsung. It made all the difference. Another standout feature for me has been the AI Super Upscaling 4K. This means that even if the source material isn't in 4K, the TV will upscale it to look like it's on a high-end Blu-ray disc. In my experience, this results in some seriously impressive picture quality, especially when watching old movies or playing games at high settings. Lastly, I want to talk about the Dolby Vision and Atmos support. These are two of the most advanced audio-visual technologies out there, and LG has nailed them both. The Dolby Vision color and contrast on this TV is truly breathtaking, with deep blacks and skin tones that look almost lifelike. And when it comes to sound, the Dolby Atmos immersive experience transports you into a whole new world. I was actually surprised by how much more engaging my favorite movies felt after switching to this TV. So what does all of this add up to? In short, if you're looking for a TV that will deliver top-notch picture and audio quality, the LG 48-inch class OLED Evo AI 4K is the clear winner in my book. While it may not be perfect, its standouts are so pronounced that some minor issues become almost negligible. It's still an incredible viewing experience that I wouldn't hesitate to recommend. Subscribe for weekly reviews that actually go deep, no surface-level takes here. Links in the description. Appreciate you taking the time. See you next week.